Hi everybody, it's Russell Markham here from VectorVest. I've got something really exciting to show you, the VectorVest powerful trading systems that we offer in the VectorVest software. Now, we're not brokers, we're not financial advisors, we don't manage your money for you, but we've got some great trading systems that you can consider if they're appropriate for you to see exactly what's taking place each and every day. Now, before we begin the short presentation here, please note our license number there. In addition, please note general advice only. Past performance not guarantee future results. Any forecasts or back tests used or discussed in this presentation are intended as a guide only, and the actual results may be affected by known risks and uncertainties and therefore may differ materially from the results ultimately achieved. All right, with that said, let's just cut straight to the chase here. So in the VectorVest system, under the Viewers tab, we have this entitled Trading System Viewer, and in here we've got all of our different trading systems. You'll see over here how well they have performed over the years and in recent times. So if I look at the first one here, Best Australian ETFs Supercharged, you can see it's annualized about 19% returns a year on average. Over the last month, it's up 2.8. Last 3 months, 12%. Over the last year, 28 odd percent. You can see we've got a few over the last year that have averaged over 20 odd percent. If I click on Trading System Details here, this will then load up the performance metrics of that ETF. So the Best AU ETF Supercharged ETFs portfolio is designed to find the best international ETFs and sector ETFs with sufficient stop loss rules in place to minimize the downside, but more importantly, let the upside develop with minimal amount of trades. This portfolio is as close as you can come to a buy and hold strategy in VectorVest. This trading system was formerly known as the ETFs portfolio. All right, so look at the performance here. Now, I don't want to give away all the trading secrets because this portfolio here doesn't do a lot of trades. All right, so if I scroll down just a bit more, you can see there the metrics on the returns there. Brilliant. Let's see here. I'll just scroll down just a tad more. All right, so here are some of the ETFs being held. You can see here SEMI, IJP, IVV, for example. Brilliant. All right, superb returns, very smooth left-to-right profile on average. It doesn't have a lot of volatility, a little bit from time to time, but pretty smooth by portfolio standard. So that's just one such example. So if you like the look of these, take it a trial of VectorVest. Log in, click on Viewers. All right, click on the Viewers tab once you get access to the trial for 30 days. You can trial out for 30 days and then come into Trading System View and have a look at these wonderful trading systems. What do you think of each one? You can go through them and click on the trading system details and see exactly what is being held in each of those given trading systems. So let us know what you think. Hope you enjoyed the short presentation. Until next time, bye for now.